Hey everybody, hey, it's Don here. Learn and earn. Just thought I'd stop by and see how everybody was going. Just wanted to tell you a little story here that when I first was thinking about getting into the digital marketing world, boy, I was frightened. I just didn't know what to do. And then all of a sudden, I was put in the position of a forced retirement due to a heart condition. And I knew I couldn't live off Social Security. And so I started looking at this a little bit deeper and I started doing a little bit more research. And I only came to two conclusions. One, I knew that I probably didn't have enough funds to last me the rest of my life. And two, do I take a chance? And it was a tough decision, believe me, really tough because there's so many scams out there, you know that. Uh, but I weighed the two out and the pros and cons, and I says, well, running out of money isn't going to be very much fun. Um, Maybe have to go live on Medicare or Medicaid or something like that, and I certainly didn't want to do that after spending my whole life working. And then second, take a chance. And so I bit the bullet. I bit the bullet and I said, if it's going to work, it's going to work. Well, folks, I threw the dice. They came up seven, and it works. And it'll work for you too, I can tell you. If you're worried about your retirement, or if you're planning on retiring, or even if you're not planning on retiring, you just want that security blanket underneath you. Digital marketing is the way to go, especially this program. It's the legacy builder. You have four streams of income. It's not an MLM. It's 100% your business. You're going to be in business by yourself, but you're not going to be alone because there are over 50,000 in the community that are sitting there for support. And if 50,000 people are right, who am I to say it's wrong? And it's not. So um, put on your thinking cap, think about the future, think about what happens if, and um, and then you have to make a decision. So you're going to have to go to my website, www.learnandearn.biz. It's an easy one to remember, learnandearn.biz. And there you'll get a link to explain the entire program to you. And I think once you see it, it's going to make you start to think a little bit. Now, the one thing that I really like about this program is that if something should happen to me, uh, the program will continue on for my family. And so I am also now building a legacy to take care of my family while I'm still here. So go to that website, www.learnandearn.biz, and see what you think. Okay, and I'd love to hear your response. So if you put a comment in, I really would like to hear your response on it. So, or you can email me too, Don Don. I mean that's easy name to remember, and it's the same thing, Don at learnandearn.biz. You can send me an email if you have questions, but I would like to hear your response on the program as well. But I'm doing good now. Health is doing good, and I'm wishing you good health. And I hope to see you in this business so we can work together. Okay. Thanks a lot. Talk to you later. Okay. Bye.